Hey everyone! Is your car shifting rough, slipping gears, or stuck in limp mode? If you've scanned your vehicle and found trouble code P0873, transmission fluid pressure sensor switch A, circuit high, then you need to fix it before it causes major transmission damage. This issue can lead to hard shifting, overheating, and even complete transmission failure. But don't worry. In this video, I'll explain what this code means, its symptoms, possible causes, and most importantly, the exact sensor locations to help you fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0873? The P0873 code appears when the transmission control module, TCM, detects an abnormally high voltage signal from the transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS, A. This sensor monitors hydraulic pressure, which is essential for smooth gear shifts. Common symptoms of P0873: harsh or delayed gear shifting transmission, slipping or stuck in limp mode, check engine light, CEL, or transmission warning light, overheating transmission, unusual noises when changing gears. Now let's talk about where to find the important components. To properly diagnose P0873, check these key components. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. A. Location, mounted on the transmission valve body, inside the transmission case in most vehicles. Some models have it externally near the transmission housing. Function, monitors fluid pressure and sends data to the TCM. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, usually located near the transmission or in the engine bay, close to the firewall. Function, controls transmission operation based on pressure sensor readings. Transmission pump and valve body. Location, inside the transmission case, accessible by removing the transmission pan. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for gear shifting. Transmission wiring harness and connectors. Location, runs from the transmission to the ECU TCM, often routed near the engine bay. Function, transfers electrical signals to regulate transmission functions. Common causes of P0873, faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. A. The sensor may be malfunctioning or sending incorrect signals. Dirty or contaminated transmission fluid, sludge and debris can block fluid passages. Low or overfilled transmission fluid. Incorrect levels can disrupt hydraulic pressure. Wiring issues or loose connections. Damaged wires or corroded connectors can cause high resistance. Failing transmission pump or valve body. Internal mechanical failure can lead to pressure inconsistencies. TCM software malfunction. A software issue could cause misreadings from the sensor. How to fix P0873. Step 1. Check and replace transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect the TFPS-A sensor. Use a multimeter to test voltage and replace if necessary. Step 3. Examine wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded connections and repair them. Step 4. Check the transmission pump and valve body. Clean or replace if clogged or faulty. Step 5. Scan for additional codes. Other transmission codes may indicate related issues. Step 6. Reset or update the TCM software. A reset can sometimes fix signal errors. Final words. The P0873 trouble code indicates a high voltage issue with transmission fluid pressure sensor A, which can lead to serious transmission problems if not fixed. By checking fluid levels, sensors, wiring, and the valve body, you can diagnose and repair this issue before it gets worse. Watch these related videos next. P0612, Fuel Injector Control Module, Relay Control Circuit P0613, Transmission Control Module Processor Performance. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.